This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Monday, January 9th, 2023. Elon Musk has asked a federal judge to move his upcoming Tesla shareholder trial out of San Francisco. Per the Associated Press, Alex Spiro, the billionaire's personal lawyer, filed the request late Friday, less than 2 weeks before the trial is scheduled to kick off on January 17th. Musk's legal team argues a substantial portion of the potential jury pool in San Francisco is likely to hold a bias against Musk due to recent media coverage criticizing his actions at Twitter and the seemingly never-ending layoffs at the company. Musk has asked to move the trial to Texas, which has been home to Tesla headquarters since late 2021. The class action lawsuit involves false and misleading statements Musk made in 2018 when he said he was considering taking Tesla private at $420 per share. Musk's now infamous funding-secured tweet landed the billionaire in trouble with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, eventually leading to a $40 million settlement with the agency. The shareholders involved in the suit won an early victory last spring when federal judge Edward Chen concluded that Musk had recklessly made the statements with knowledge as to their falsity. The upcoming trial will determine whether Musk's tweet affected the automaker's stock price and if he should be held accountable for potential damages. Musk's concerns are unfounded and his motion is meritless, Nicholas Parrott, one of the lawyers representing Tesla shareholders, told the Associated Press. The Northern District of California is the proper venue for this lawsuit, and where it has been actively litigated for over 4 years. On Saturday, Judge Chen told the two sides he would hear Musk's request on January 13th. And in what has become a monthly occurrence at Twitter, the company has cut more of its workforce. On Friday night, Twitter reportedly laid off at least a dozen workers across its Dublin and Singapore offices. According to Bloomberg, the casualties include Ana Luisa Dominguez, the company's former senior director of revenue policy. The outlet reports that Twitter also cut workers responsible for handling the company's misinformation policy, in addition to a handful of employees involved with the platform's global appeals process and state media program. Ella Irwin, Twitter's head of trust and safety, confirmed the company recently laid off more staff but disputed the teams impacted by the cuts. It made more sense to consolidate teams under one leader instead of two, for example, she told Bloomberg, adding Twitter eliminated roles in areas where the company didn't see enough volume to justify the talent expenditure. She also said Twitter increased staffing at its appeals department and would continue to have a head of revenue policy. On November 21st, shortly after issuing his extremely hardcore ultimatum to Twitter employees, Elon Musk reportedly said the company wouldn't fire or lay off any more workers during an all-hands meeting. While the scale of Twitter's subsequent layoffs hasn't matched those that came shortly after Musk's takeover, the company has cut staff despite the billionaire's pledge. The company let go of part of its infrastructure division halfway through last month. One recent estimate by The Information puts the company's headcount at around 2,000 employees, or a little over a quarter of what it had before Musk's purchase. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.